Excuses. We've all made them. Too tired, too busy, too scared. But here's the truth. Excuses are the walls we build around our potential, and it's time to tear them down. Life doesn't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't care about your past mistakes or your current struggles. What it cares about is what you do right now, this moment, this decision, this step. No more, "I'll start tomorrow." No more, "It's too hard." No more, "What if I fail?" Failure isn't the end. It's the beginning of learning, growing, and rebuilding. You have the power to rewrite your story, to take control, to rebuild your life brick by brick. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Every drop of sweat, every late night, every ounce of effort, it's all leading you to a stronger, better version of yourself. So what's your excuse? Too old? Too young? Too broken? Number. You're not too anything. You're enough. You're capable. You're ready. This is your wake-up call, your second chance, your moment to say, no more excuses. The life you want is on the other side of your comfort zone, and it's waiting for you to take the first step.